I'll explain to you why I'm asking this question, but is there any reason why you think you were more calm in the car today than usual?
I don't know. Because it's
It's not like you, or is that?
it's definitely not like me.
Well, weren't you with Andrew?
Yeah, but even usually with Andrew, like, we start fights in the car, and then they're, like, silent car rides.
So he wasn't the reason for the.
Mm-mm.
Okay. Okay. Fair enough.
Which is, I mean, I was kind of thinking that too, but it's usually, like, our car rides are either end up in fights or I'm still frustrated, like, with traffic, but I don't know, it was just the day. Like, the day's been okay.
Good. Okay. Now the reason why I asked you about Andrew is because I wanna make sure that there's no confusion about whether or not he's the source of your happiness. Because I know in a relationship sometimes, the person we love the most, the person we hate the most. So they can make us the most happy or the most sad. So I just want to make sure he's not the reason why you had a good day.
I mean, and it could be, like, the excitement that he's coming back, like, like, like I said, like, I'm not too excited for him to be living here, but I'm not gonna mind it. Like, his stuff, you can't even see it. Like, he didn't bring that much stuff, and, like, I'm helping him, and his brother actually talked to me today and told me that he was really thankful that I was gonna help him, and,
Good.
like, I don't know, like, that could be part of it, but, like, I'm glad that he's back here.
Okay. Okay. Well, the reason why I ask all these questions about your day is because I want to start looking, if this is okay with you, I'd like to start focusing on the things that make you happy, the things that actually boost your morale. Because if we can find what the sources are and incorporate them more into your life, by nature, you're going to become a happier person. I mean, right? If you find the source of your
Yeah.
happiness and you put more in your
Well,
life.
and that, I mean, that's a good idea, but the thing that's weird to me is, like, the thing that makes me the most happiest on the planet is singing. And I used to go just because I wanted to sing to a karaoke bar almost every single night. I wouldn't drink, I would just get soda, but I would sing every single night. And it's like, it's still, it's like I'm doing what I love the most and people are cheering for me and, like, I get all cocky because I know I'm doing a good job, but it's like I get sad and I stop doing that. Even though I know it's what I love the most. I'll sing, like, alone in here, but, like, it's like even things that I know that make me happy, it's like I can't do them.
You say you can't do them.
Yeah, like, I just, I don't know. Like, I can't get myself, like, I know that it'll make me happy to go to the bar and sing, but I just can't get myself to do it.
Okay. I can kind of understand that. Lack of follow through. Maybe you could just do something
Yeah.
would make you happier, but you just can't get there.
Yeah.
I can understand that.
So that's kind of what I, like, kind of how I feel, like, about the morning. Like, how it seems like there's a disconnect between, like, if it's just apathy or sadness, because it's like both. It's like I can't get myself to do it.
Okay.
And, like, I don't know.
I think I understand it. It's not that it's one or the other. It's that they're almost
Yeah.
they're tied together. They kind of feed into one another.
Yeah.
The more apathetic you are, the sadder you'll become. The sadder you become, the more apathetic you.
Yeah.
Like that infinity sign.
Oh, yeah.
That's it.
The little, like,
But we're gonna break that infinity.
Okay. Okay.
Power to you.
That would be good. I would enjoy that.
Okay. So let me ask you this.
Okay.
What would your life look like? And if you don't know how to answer this, it's okay. If you were happy.
I would be happy.
What things would be different, I should say?
I'd probably take my dog out every day and take her to the park because she had so much fun today. I would eat better. Probably have more motivation to work out. I'd probably just smile and laugh more. Like, for real, not like fake smile and laugh so that people don't know that I'm dying inside. But, I don't know. I'll just be happy. Like, I'd be the person I pretend to be, for real.
Who is it you pretend to be?
Like, this happy, positive. Like, I am the most negative person on this planet. But I've won, like, little dorky awards at, like, work and stuff like that for being positive.
How is that possible?
Because I'm really good at pretending.
So you are a good actress.
I guess.
For those of you watching, we've talked about her ability to role play.
Yeah, I suck.
I don't know if I'm allowed to do that, but
It's okay.
I feel like inside jokes should be explained,
Yeah.
so there's no like.
Well, and it's rapport building. It's part of the syllabus.
True. Okay. I like that.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's talk about therapeutic approaches to what we're going to be addressing.
Okay.
Is there any approach that you feel you're most comfortable with or would just really be the best for you?
Well, I guess it's the one that I'm always turning to, just like the Adlerian, just because I think that a lot of my problem is my past, but I don't know.
Okay, you say a lot of your problem is the past. How could we use that past, understanding that past, to help you now?
I guess just like accepting like things that even like maybe that I've like stuffed away that I don't necessarily remember. Like I think that would like accepting it, like in like forgiving my mom for giving me a hard time, or whatever. Like I don't know. I don't know really. I don't know.
It seems like a word you say quite often.
It's how I feel quite often.
Okay. I don't know. All right, I'll remember that.
Okay.
Okay, so we could work on dealing with some of the past. Trauma, is that a word, or?
There's some trauma. I mean, yeah.
Or relationships.
There's some trauma, but well, I guess it would be kind of trauma. I guess you could call it, like what I experienced and like growing up.
And what comes to my mind though is the issue of time. So what I mean is that talking about the past a lot of times is something that takes a lot of time.
Yeah.
So we could easily have a 2-hour session about past
Yeah,
things. And that's totally
true.
fine with me. I'm willing to do that. But I want to leave this up to you and what you feel comfortable with.
Well, most of the stuff I don't really feel comfortable sharing with the class. Sorry, guys. But I don't know. So that's why I'm saying, like, I don't really know, like, what approach I would like the best, because the one I feel most connected to, I guess, is Adlerian, because, I don't know.
Because it's what you're familiar with.
Yeah. Well, yeah.
That makes sense. Okay, so in our first session, we talked about cognitive behavioral therapy. Do you feel like that, you are familiar with that?
Yeah.
Which is something you said. Do you feel like that could benefit you in this situation, or?
I mean, I would like to try it. Like, I would like to see if it works. Yeah. I'm open to it.
The reason why I ask you is because I want to take an approach that's most effective, and that's going to really get you where you want to be. So, for example, if we were doing a cognitive behavioral approach, something we would look at is when you get up in the morning, you said you're sad and unmotivated. What actual thoughts do you think when you get up in the morning? You wake up and you open your eyes and you say,
holy shit, I'm late. Oh my god, I can't believe I snoozed my alarm for an hour. I may as well just not even go. This is stupid. Why don't I hear my alarm? Oh, I'm such an idiot for not hearing my alarm. That's probably the first thing I think.
So I heard you say, I'm such an idiot, stupid, a lot of critical, derogatory terms that kind of have a tendency to make people feel bad.
Yeah.
So what we could focus on is maybe changing those thoughts and saying, okay, I messed up again, but instead of criticizing myself, I'm going to, and then you could replace that with something you feel more comfortable with.
Okay.
Something that you feel like is going to motivate you instead of make you apathetic.
Yeah.
Is that, are you understanding?
No. Yeah.
Am I going too fast?
No. I'm understanding you.
Okay. Okay. I want to lay this out just so, 2 reasons. The people that are watching are aware that we're actually going to set a plan.
Yeah.
And 2, we're on the same page and we know where we're going.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So let's talk goals.
Okay.
I'm going to ask you a direct question.
Okay.
And you just answer to the best of your ability.
Okay.
What is your goal in life?
To finish school and have a family and be happy and become a singer. And maybe get my PhD. I haven't decided if I want to yet or not. I want to, but I don't at the same time.
And of those...
And to have my own practice. That's all. And to move. I have a lot of goals, I guess.
And of those 4, 5, or 6 goals, which one would you like to focus on this? I know we've talked about the sadness, but I just want to hear you say it in your words.
In this
Yeah.
process?
Mhm.
Well, becoming more happy.
Okay. I like to take a person-centered approach, so I want to get you to kind of voice what it is you want to work on.
Okay. I want to be happy.
Okay, you want to be happy. The next question is, what does happiness look like to you?
Like I said earlier.
Mhm.
Just really being able to smile and laugh. And it not being fake. Like having good thoughts in my head rather than like me smiling and laughing and like for instance in class like I smile and I laugh and I participate, but like most of the time I'm zoning out and thinking about other stuff that like doesn't matter, that's just bringing me down, like just but I'd rather like be involved in class and like really be like taking it all in and like smiling and socializing, and like that's why I've been trying to talk to more people lately, because it's like you need to talk, like you need to socialize yourself and not be so like engulfed in your own thoughts. So like happiness to me is like being the person I act like I am, for real.
Beautiful. She said it. Happiness to me is being the person I act like I am, for real. So in our next couple sessions, maybe that's something we can look at, the person that you see that you are, for real.
Okay.
Okay, so let's get it clear. The goal here, and we'll use some of the things you said before, is to be happy ultimately. That's what we're working on. You want to be happy. And in the here and now, being happy means, well, a couple of things. Being the person you really want to be, but with that said, it means having right thoughts in your head that kind of motivate you. It means feeling like you want to be outgoing. You're not faking it, but you really are interacting and sharing yourself with people.
Yeah.
And also, it seemed like being more active in general, going to the park, cooking more often, being more healthy, doing more things for yourself. So those 3 things are kind of what we're going to focus at?
Yeah.
Now, my question to you is, would you feel comfortable writing this down, or since it's on tape, we could review it?
We could review it. I could also write it down afterwards.
Okay.
Because I don't have paper right now.
Oh, well then, that clears us up.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Cool.
I don't want to bring it to a screeching halt, but at the same time, we have achieved our goal. We know what we're going to work on for you. Okay. Is there anything else that you feel like we should talk about? Cover maybe?
No, I think that's good. I think for the sake of stuff I want to share with the class, with the whole class,
True.
this is fine.
Okay.
Like, there's other stuff that I wouldn't mind talking with you about, or like our teammates about, but the whole class, no.
Okay.
So, I'm good.
Then, if that is the case, we can go ahead and wrap it up.
Okay.
I just wanted to say a few things though before. I want to say thank you for being honest, and I know we did a lot of rehashing, but I just wanted to make sure that we were very clear on what it is happiness is for you, because I know throughout the beginning you were saying, I don't know. Well, now you can say, I know what happiness looks like for me.
Yeah.
This is what I'm working toward. Make sense?
Yeah.
All right. Sounds good.
All right.
Cool.
Cool.